Thank you for your time today, Om. So, to kick us off, I wanted to see what did you enjoy most about this workshop?
Applied Materials Open Innovation Workshop is a unique concept. There is nothing like this that exists anywhere. What is unique about this is that we bring the entire ecosystem looking at an inflection. We bring leading faculty, we bring startups, we bring systems companies, we bring device companies, equipment companies, and materials companies to come together and understand a big global inflection and figure a way of working together so we can accelerate the industry to come up with solutions to address that inflection. In the process, provide a pathway for building big businesses for everyone who is in that ecosystem.
Cool. And how do you see silicon photonics transforming the future of technology, and how can applied materials contribute to the innovation needed in this area?
So I consider this to be an integrated photonics workshop. The idea of silicon photonics has been around for a while, and there is a time for each inflection. I think the time for integrated photonics is now. And I believe Applied Materials is uniquely positioned to be able to solve the problems associated with integrated photonics in enabling this inflection, in the process build billion-dollar technology platforms. What do we bring uniquely to the marketplace? We bring the ability to come up with engineered optical elements, waveguides being one of them. We have leading edge technologies on advanced packaging solutions, including rigid substrates. The integrated photonics opportunity allows us to uniquely bring together the advances we are making in engineered optics on one hand, advanced packaging on the other hand, and uniquely solve the challenges associated with integrated photonics.